Hello everyone. Today we will have a look at a broker called Liteforex. As you can see on the top left of our screen, this broker has a 15 years of experience, which is always good when a broker has or is on the market for such a long time. Then it may have learned a lot about the industry and how to retain its customers, which is as equally important as gaining a new customer. The problem or the first problem on this broker by the time that we come to the homepage is that we don't know what it offers. Remember, the first impression is the one that matters. On the first page you need to show, or you must show, what are the currency pairs, what are the markets, do you offer CFDs trading, only indices, cryptocurrencies, what it is what you're trading, what is your best product, what makes you different than the next or the broker down the road if you want, as competition is quite stiff in this industry. So we need to advance a bit, we need to move a bit to the downside to see what it is with this broker. Forex, which is the largest market for trading currencies, correct, nothing new. A demo contest for beginners, so there is a demo account at this broker, a small plus for Liteforex here. Whenever you have the possibility to test a broker's offering using a demo account, do it. First of all, it is usually for free. All you have to lose is an email address and some contact information. But if you are really serious and you wanna learn both trading and the broker's offering, then you want to do a bit of a research in order to find out if the broker is, or the trading account is, something that you're comfortable with and that you know all the offering and so on. Let's see here, monthly contest. Here we find out a bit about the markets that this broker offers: shares, indices, gold, oil, commodities. Well, gold and oil are commodities, but anyways, Forex, CFDs, contracts for difference. Forex accounts, ECN, Electronic Communication Network, and Classic account, a leverage up to 1 to 500. Up to 1 to 500, it tells us two things. It tells us that this broker is unlikely to be regulated for business in the United States, for instance, or in the European Union, because such big a leverage is not allowed. Let's go on the ECN. This is always interesting. An ECN, what do we have? A minimum deposit of $50. Technologies, ECN, Electronic Communication Network, social trading platform is available. Negative balance protection. Negative balance protection is a good thing, because as it happens, when a broker uses an ECN technology, it is guaranteeing that it will close a trade when there is a market. In other words, if you have a stop loss, for instance, and the market moves too fast for whatever the reason. Recently, liquidity improved in financial markets in the last years, and we did not have this kind of moves that created extremely abrupt moves on the market. So we did not see that, but it did happen in the past. And what happened is that the broker, if there is a gap, if you want, into the liquidity, then the broker will execute the order at a different level with, of course, the obligation to cover for the loss from the balance. But negative balance protection means that as an investor or a trader, you cannot lose more than the amount deposited in an account. So if you deposit $50 into a trading account, no matter what you do with this broker, you cannot lose more than $50. Okay. Now, this is the minimum deposit, but you will never want to deposit $50 into a trading account, even if you trade with a mini account with 0.01 lots. Why? Because if the trading amount or the amount invested is insignificant to you, then you won't pay the due diligence needed to become a successful trader. Therefore, instead of opening a trading account with $50, for instance, just wait until you have a stake and trade on the demo. And all this time you will have a chance to learn from both the broker's offering and the strategies in the market. What do we have? Forex majors, $10 a lot. Crypto, so they offer cryptocurrencies as well. Let's have a look at about us, our history. We got to look at regulatory documents if we have some. Let's see. Okay, we've seen that. Let's see right here. This is a broker incorporated in Marshall Islands. I don't see anywhere a license number from a financial regulatory or whatever. All we see here is that this broker is registered in the Marshall Islands and under the registration number, and this is the number. But normally, if the broker would be regulated by a financial authority, it will be a different thing, and you will see the license number and so on. So this broker has a bit of a credibility problem. Let's go a bit on Trade Forex. We said ECN Classic demo. Let's see a difference between the ECN and the classic account. The classic account, live trading for experienced traders with a floating spread, has been designed well 1 to 500. The biggest difference that I see here when compared to an ECN account, we see that the spread is floating from 1.8 points. Well, if it is from 1.8 points and the euro US dollar has the lowest spread, then the charges are quite big for a classic account. What do we have here? Funding, let's see, contests, promotions for partners, affiliate programs. Okay, social trading, let's go on social trading. On the social trading, let's see your country identified as Spain. So they offer services in the European Union under this website. So basically, Liteforex is licensed to operate into the European Union. Let's go here now because this is a different story. Regulatory documents, let's go here. And under the regulatory documents, we have here operation license in English. So this is regulated most likely by the CSEC, because the CSEC exactly Cyprus investment firm to deal with the operations under the European Union. So if I were to use one of the entities between the two, because there is clearly there are two entities here, I would use this one. They saved ourselves, if you want, by offering indeed regulatory service into the European Union. And now we are talking about a regulated business. Live chat, which is always good. Let's see now the conditions here for trading. What do we have? Trade Forex. Let's go with the ECN account types. Let's see, maybe something is changed. Still $50 minimum deposit, ECN trading account, regulated. I would say all good for Liteforex, with the only thing to consider that if you want to do business with them and you are based on the European Union, make sure you go for the licensed version. Have a great day. Bye-bye.